Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools and protecting your progress. Plug a USB drive into the Xbox 360 and sign into the profile you want to change. Once done, copy that profile to the USB for a backup. This prevents permanent loss if something goes wrong. Next, move the USB to your PC and open Explorer 360 or Horizon. These let you access the profile container. Make sure the image is cropped and saved as a 256 by 256 JPEG, so the console accepts. Now you edit the profile container directly so the Xbox will display your picture. In Explorer 360 or Horizon, find the avatar or Gamurpic file entries. These are usually labeled clearly. Replace the original image with your prepared 256 by 256 JPEG, keeping the exact file name and file type to avoid recognition issues. After swapping files, use the tool's rehash or resign feature. This updates internal checksums so the console accepts the modified container. Finally, save and safely eject the USB to avoid corruption. Finish by moving the edited profile back onto the Xbox and signing in to apply the change. Overwrite the console profile with the USB copy, then check the picture on the dashboard and in games. If the image fails to show, power cycle the console and try redownloading the profile from Xbox Live, because cached data can block updates. If problems persist, verify the JPEG is 256 by 256 and properly formatted. Rehash the file again, or restore your backup and repeat the steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.